right, we in Branson, Missouri. Welcome to Jeazie's cribs. We gonna start in here first. See, we got our dryer and washer. We got a little storage thing to put our clothes up. I wish we were staying for a week because this is lovely. You know, we got our necessities, vacuum, broom, and all that. This is just a little area for that. We got a kitchen, as you see. So we save money by just going to the grocery store and getting some food. We got the fridge, everything, microwave, because you know, that's why we don't stay at hotels no more. They ain't never got microwaves. We even got a dishwasher. It's just crazy. We got our pots and pans, everything. So we make stuff. Got stuff over here, utensils. We got our forks and stuff. We got everything we need while we're here. Back. Okay, now I'm gonna take you over here to the front room. Check out the front room. We got. Oh, matter of fact, right here we got the little area we can sit at the tables, chill out. Then we got, of course, the dining room, so where we eat, you know, have breakfast and dinner together. Look at these high ceilings. Like this is real nice. You know, we got a lot of closet space. We almost got more closet space than we got at home. Oh, that ain't a closet. That's where the furniture stuff. But still, okay. We got the front room over here. Yeah, pull out couches for the youngins. Nice little, whatever. Oh, we have a fireplace. We got a fireplace. Yeah, check that out. Got the TV on the wall. We got this beautiful sight out here. We can't wait till we came in this dark, so we ain't really seeing that, but we'll see it in the morning. But look, we got our nice little balcony. You probably can't really see it, but it's like a lake out here. The lake out here. So in the morning y'all gonna get to see it. This is a nice size balcony, so we're gonna be out here chilling and stuff. So I'm about to take y'all to the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. Woohoo! Look at the super king size. Yes. We're gonna sleep good on it. This ain't for you. We got a TV up here. We got a lot of space. Like if you want to stay here for weeks, they got a lot of space, and you know it's very homey. The closet. Oh look at these lights up here. We got lights up here and stuff. Then we got the closet. Good closet space, as you can see. Came with hangers, you know, extra covers and stuff. So you know, see, then we got our own personal door to go to the balcony, so we can just go out this door. You already seen the balcony, but this is just the door we can go out the room. See, we got our own personal, so we ain't even gotta bother the kids. We can just go out this door. All right, I'm about to show y'all the player bathroom. Come on.
Mom, look up there.
Check this out. First, we're gonna start the shower.
Get up.
Hold on, I didn't do what I did. But look, we got the shower, you know, just a regular shower, you know, get cleaned up and all that. We got the toilet over here, you know, we need that. You know, we got our sink, and we got our little table for you to sit and do your glamorous stuff and all that. Get your face and stuff ready or whatever for the day. Okay, and last but not least, boom! Got the hot tub in this joint. And we got the window right here so we can see outside. Oh yeah, it's going down, man. Welcome to Branson, Missouri, you feel me? Welcome to Stillwater's Resort in Branson, Missouri. So if y'all ever want to come to Branson, Missouri, y'all, this is a 1-bedroom lakefront luxury condo. So if y'all ever want to check into this is what we got. So Branson has a lot of things to do, so wherever y'all want to travel somewhere, check out Branson. Thanks for watching GDTV.